Hello, folks. How you doing? Yes, you wear your model shop coming here live or taped or whatever. I'm Matt. This fun-filled week or two, I can't remember because I'm getting old. Got all the boats done. Yeah. Gun tubs on the back are done. Little hatches are done. Fighting top, or the rear fighting top, is done. I just haven't put it in place just yet. Had to get my big hands in small places, so without putting that on, it helped tremendously. Yeah, I'm just relaxing. But yeah, the middle of the ship is 95% done. I started on the cranes, but that's not going to be in this video. But pretty much everything in the middle is done. A lot of photo etch work. Used wooden decks to put in the little lifeboats. I think that's pretty much it. I'll show you what I have. And here you go. Pieces everywhere. So fun. So, there we go. Put the wood deck down in the first boat. Next, what you'll have to do, bear with me, is this, the photo etch gets set on top like that. So you still see all of the wooden deck that gets painted brown or gray. And then there's also another piece that will go right in here. It's like a U shape. It'll end right here. It'll go just like that. Now, I didn't paint over here, or there is a little bit of paint that's going to get glued up and you won't see it. So I have to make two sets of boots. Big boot, medium boot, little boot. They'll all go on top of each other. Here are the stands. I'm just letting them dry so I can touch them again, so I can finish up the little spots that I missed. All the little pieces over here go on all around in here. So I have to get the boots on first before I put all that little stuff on. So, and then there's also photo etch that I just have out. They go on these go on the bottom boats. And then also with my kit are wooden decks for the little boats. So, stay tuned. All the boats are done, painted. Next is all assembled. As you can see, all the wood deck is in, everything is painted. Basically, what it's going to look like is with the deck on there, then the ship. Another deck. Another boat. I didn't cut the other one out, but then it would go up like that. And once these all are done, it will go right there. Big boats are done, as you can see. And they look really nice. Now I'm working on the captain's boats.
Can I see?
And there's my daughter. Say hi.
Hi, don't forget to subscribe. Bye. I don't like this one.
She's cute. Tomorrow's her birthday, so.
Yeah, I need to tell them something.
Hold on. So here are all the boats. 1 second, Em. You had to cut this stuff off and then put the photo etch on. And then a photo etch here. And then on this, I started, it's very small. It's the handrails for the top. It should be pointed, I think they're white on top. And then, sorry guys, white on top and then the dark blue gray on the bottom. So that's what I got next. Right now, pressing forward. All the boats are done, except for this one here and then the other side. But the captain's boats are in. They're not secured in, I just have them placed. But as you can see, they look nice. Not bad for hand painting. Rear gun tubs and guns are in. The boats are all in, as you can see. Wooden decking on them. And then the fighting top isn't in just yet because I wanted to get my big fingers in to put all the little details in. Sorry about the shadowing. And then now I'm starting on the cranes. So the whole middle should be done soon. Also, I got the guards on around the turret 3. So once I get the middle done, it should be downhill. Have to do the turrets, the catapults, and then I believe there's one more crane on back. And then all like the little things like I put on here. There's like a metal cover on that, more of these, and then I gotta put the bigger stuff on. So there you have it, folks. Short, sweet, and to the point. A little bit of stuttering. I'm old. Sorry. So that's all I got for this week, and hope you guys have a great weekend. All right, keep on modeling.